Every app on your Windows PC that you've ever given permission to could be capturing exactly what's on your screen right now. Your messages, your banking, your passwords typed in. And there's a real chance you've never once checked which apps that includes. Welcome to Practical Tech Lessons. Here's the exact setting controlling this and how to lock it down in under 2 minutes. Windows 11 has a built-in permission system for this, and most people have never opened it. It's called Screenshots and Screen Recording Access, and it controls which apps are allowed to capture what's on your display. By default, this is turned on, which means any app you've approved even once can potentially see and capture your screen. Think about what's actually visible on your screen on an average day. Passwords as you type them, financial details, private conversations. If an app has this permission, none of that is necessarily private from it. This isn't about one specific app being malicious. It's about a permission most people never review, sitting on by default for every app that's ever asked. Let's check your setting and lock it down. Open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the App Permissions section and click Screenshots and Screen Recording. Here's the full picture. At the top, the master toggle for screenshot and recording access. Below that, which apps from the Microsoft Store can do this. In this case, Microsoft Teams is listed. And below that, which desktop apps have that same access. There's also a recent activity section showing screenshot or recording requests from the last 7 days. A quick way to check if anything's actually been using this. You've got options here. You can turn off desktop app access specifically. You can turn off Microsoft Store app access, which turns off individual apps like Teams along with it. Or if you'd rather shut the whole thing off at once, the master toggle at the top does exactly that. That's the entire setting. Now you know exactly who's allowed to see your screen and how to change that in seconds. Subscribe to Practical Tech Lessons for weekly AI and tech breakdowns like this one.